Tired of copying and pasting emails to every single contact in Pipedrive? It is such a time sink, right? Learn how to send mass emails in under 2 minutes. Here's the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly how to select multiple contacts, compose your message, and send it all with just one click. No extra tools, no juggling tabs. All right, let us start from your Pipedrive dashboard. This is where you land every time you log in. Now, look at the left sidebar. Go ahead and click Contacts. This opens up your main contact area. From here, you need to choose the People view. This filters your list to just individual contacts, not organizations or deals. So click on People. Now, find the specific contacts you want to email. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to narrow things down by name or company. In my experience, taking just a moment here to find the right group saves you from sending an email to the wrong person later. Once you have them in view, select multiple contacts by checking the boxes beside their names. Click the checkbox for each person you want to include. It is that simple. Now, pause and verify your selection. Take a quick glance at the list. Make sure you have the right people checked and you haven't accidentally missed someone or grabbed the wrong contact. This visual check is your safety net. Once you are sure, wait for the Action toolbar to appear at the top of the page. It pops up automatically once you have at least one contact selected. It might take just a second. In that toolbar, you will see several options. Click the button that says Send Group Email. A new window will open. This is the Compose screen. The first thing you should do is review the recipient list. Pipedrive will show you exactly who is about to get this email. Double-check those names one more time. Next, enter an email subject. Make it clear and specific. Something like, Quick update on your project, or Invitation to our webinar. A good subject line helps your email actually get opened. Now, compose your email message. Write the body of your email directly in the text area. Keep it friendly and to the point. Remember, this is going to multiple people, so avoid personal details that only apply to one person. If you have a saved template, this is the time to use it. Click the Insert Email Template button in the editor. Pick the template you want. This is a huge time saver and keeps your messaging consistent across all your contacts. And here is the really important part before you hit send. Preview the email content. Look for the Preview button, usually an eye icon or a button that says Preview. It shows you exactly how your email will appear in someone's inbox. Check for typos, broken links, and make sure the formatting looks clean. Everything looks good? Great. Then go ahead and click Send. Pipedrive will process your request and send that email to all your selected contacts at once. So now, instead of wasting hours clicking through each person one by one, you can handle your bulk emailing in just a few minutes, all inside Pipedrive. It is one of those features that once you start using it, you wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.